Hello everyone, welcome once again. In front of you HP LaserJet M141w printer, and printer is showing error ER05. An ER05 on an HP printer typically indicates a paper jam, specifically in the input output area or in the cartridge and tuner area. So you have to find any obstacle jam inside this printer. Like you have to check in the fuser unit if it's anything jam here, or you have to remove the tuner cartridge from inside printer, and you have to check anything jam in that area because there's one sensor over here. So visually I am not able to see anything stuck here. Okay, so it means there is nothing jam in the fuser area. In case if you want to see clearly, you have to unscrew these two screws. This is the cover of fuser unit, and then you can check if anything jam inside. But I just saw there is nothing jam here, so I will try to find something in that area. So how to find something stuck in that area, any paper or any obstacle? We need a business card or any hard paper we have to insert from here. So right now what I have to find the problem, stay with me and watch this video. I got these two hard sheets we can insert, and we can diagnose it that way. Okay, that way I insert. Okay, this is the plastic actually stuck. Look, this you are not able to see what I got after insert the sheet inside. This is the plastic. You can see this plastic is not belongs to this printer, so we have to remove this plastic the help of tweezer or something. You can move it down. Actually, this was the culprit that was getting stuck inside and jamming the sensor. So I will remove this hardcore sheet and insert back tuner inside. Now fix these papers size. Okay, now I will. Okay, now you can see printer started initializing. Before it was showing straight away ER05 error, and now you can see printer is in ready state. There's no issue at all with the printer. So this is the method to fix paper jam or find the exact paper jam obstacle or any jammed obstacle inside printer in the fuser unit or in the cartridge area. If you have any other question regarding any kind of printer, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.